Hey there. Okay, so I kind of forgot to do the rest of the video. So this is where I'm just showing what the style of the videos look like before. Okay. There's that one, and they're all pretty much the same. Like I'm not going to go through all of them. Okay, have you started a business? There's no picture of her. There are no graphics at all whatsoever. Uh, keeping your business organized. Again, same kind of thing. They're all pretty much like this. Uh, there we go. Income tax updates, preparation. Again, same kind of thing. Bookkeeping services. Yeah. Okay. It's a good attempt. It doesn't really look very professional. Doesn't look that great. And she's got a whole new office and stuff. I'm gonna get her to take pictures of it, but like it really being on brand is important. How you represent yourself, how seriously people take you. People are comparing this crappy, ugly email. People are comparing that to other professionally designed um, newsletters that they're getting. They're judging you based on that and what they want to pay you, how seriously they take you. Aesthetics and branding matters. And then you're going to get into some Mappdom stuff now. Yep, this was their last one. And then look what happens. Mappdom takes over. So we've got the little emoji. Hey, it's tax time. We've got her logo up top, so you know who it's from. I didn't actually like this design. I was playing around. The level or features that she has access to are limited based on, the price point. And so I was fiddling around with how to try to make it look good. So this was the first email that we did, but you can see it's clean, it's white, it's got some color, it pops, right? So like right away aesthetically it looks different. You've got a URL here for the expense sheet. It's not this big ugly Google Drive link. We shortened it and made it look aesthetic and pretty and easy to remember, vice versa. Expense sheet that's going to connect to a Google Sheet, organizational check-in. And we hadn't started having our strategic meetings yet. So this was just some information I copied off of the previous emails just to send out before we got to talk. Is this a link? Here we go. Schedule your appointment, schedule your appointment, schedule your appointment. And then links to thing. And then the logo again at the bottom, which I probably didn't realize. Otherwise, I would not have put it at the top. And then our next email is, hey, didn't hear from you. Please book your appointment today. Get your attention. Pay it forward. Get some money back. It's Christmas time, right? I think that was part of it. Want a quick and easy way to pay off your Christmas expenses? Of course. So this is a part of the psychology, right? Because it's around Christmas time. No one wants to spend money at Christmas time. But if we can help you to pay off those expenses, you should start doing your taxes now. So again, that's part of the strategy. It's not just about creating an email. I hope the message finds you well. Again, we hadn't had our strategic meeting yet, so I wasn't even quite sure what the tone of her messaging was. This is basically a reiteration of the last email. But you can see it's clear, it's white, there's psychology in it. If someone is busy and they're just scrolling, these different things pop out. It's in line with the brand, with the colors, with the blue. So again, it's not just, oh, throwing together an email. There's a lot of strategy that goes behind creating an effective email that generates revenue. Okay. Yep, so we're keeping on brand colors and you can see it's red, blue, so it kind of stands out. It just doesn't look like that plain block black text that they had before or that like pasted graphic they had that was just like cheesy, right? It's cheesy and this client is far from cheesy. So this is a tax notice. Please text me your mobile number urgently because we realize that people, not everyone's opening the emails. They really need to start to book. Yeah, of course, she's a business owner. She needs money, but her thing actually fills up. And this happened to me. I couldn't book with her on time and my taxes were late. That cost me $400, right? So it's like, hey, text me your mobile number. Maybe people will respond to text. So the benefit of having Mappdom and me work on your projects is that I have an MBA, Master in Business Administration. So I'm always looking for ways to increase your revenues, different revenue streams, and different communication engagement tactics and touch points. So if we can email you and send you a text message, there's a better chance that we'll have a response, right? Again, the logo up at the top. Hey, text me your number right away. It's urgent. She got great response from this. Yes, Jordan. How can you be hungry? You already ate. All you want is junk food. I know you're going to ask me for some junk food right now, right? That's what you're going to ask me for? You're not hungry because you already had an Eggo and you had sausage, you had orange juice, and you had grapes. You will have lunch. It's not lunchtime, Jordan. It's still morning time. I'll call you when it's lunchtime, okay? She's only saying she's hungry because she wants to eat, because she thinks after she eats, she's going to get a piece of chocolate. Anyway, here's the text. Here's the email. Here's the email. Text me your number right away. Include your first and last name. We're going to be taking this data and uploading it into Go High Level. Best to do it right away, so there's a sense of urgency. Again, that's the marketing psychology. It's not just an email. Thanks so much. PS always gets people important. And she's like, why is she asking me for my email? I just spoke with her yesterday. Look, even if I spoke with you and I have your number, do it anyway. Why is a part of the psychology? If you ever read Robert Cialdini's Persuasion or Persuasion, you know that you can make a request, but if you tell people why, it helps to lower their resistance barrier. So look, I need you to do it because it's new technology and we're transferring it. Oh, okay. Just to minimize that. Now that I think I've had a chance to speak with her, I started putting her picture in here. Like her stuff, her image and stuff was not in those emails before. Schedule your tax appointment, right? So you can see that the emails are starting to look more professional. We've got the different colors, things stand out. So again, even if you're in your car or, quickly scrolling, the most important parts of the email will stand out, and we send follow-up emails, tax number, and then we've got 2 more. Hey, I'm going on vacation. Here's what you need to know. So, okay, cool. I have removed the logo from the top because it just was making the email look, and you'll see in the next email, I removed this as well. I just want the picture in the front. If you want to look at the email, look at it in your browser somewhere else. We don't need that. So you'll see how I changed that in a minute. Hey, I'm on vacation. Text me your number right away. Hey, did you do it yet? If not, here you go. There you go. Holiday notice. I'm going to be resting so that I can serve you well. I really want your support on this. Spaces are filling up quickly. Sense of urgency. I understand it's competing with Christmas. So just address it. Just talk about it. I understand this $100 investment and you're competing with Christmas. Time's going to fill up. And I did have response from my husband, who happens to be on her email list, that, oh, she must be really desperate for the money and she's so pushy. Yeah, you wait and not get your appointment and see if we don't laugh. Hey, gift card from a friend. Since I can't send you a personal gift this year, I wanted to send you a reminder. So now this is the incremental revenue. She's got a large business base. We talked about her starting a business directory on her page, networking, a whole bunch of other stuff. But hey, here's a gift card from, hey, my marketing company. And there is her personal email. And then lastly, you'll see this very last one that I sent out. All that stuff is moved from the top, and we are going to be announcing sponsorship, so you know right away what it is. It's the Vice Versa newsletter, just opposed to her little logo before. The Vice Versa newsletter, and it's sponsored by somebody, Mappdom. Okay, that's interesting. Great colors, great everything above the fold, very captivating. Here's a picture of her on vacation. She's clearly on a plane. Like, you can tell she's on a plane. Hey, I'm back from vacation and I've got some new announcements for the year. Wonderful. Did you book your appointment? Do that now. And I was again speaking to my husband, and I'm like, did you get Tanya's emails? Like, I'm wondering why hasn't he booked his meeting yet? Is it money? Is it what? And he's like, I don't have my tax papers from work yet, so why am I gonna book an appointment with her? I'm like, okay, that is an objection that I can address in an upcoming email, which I did. What happens if I put it off? This is what happened last year. Now we've got some new announcements. So thank you for your patronage. We personalize it. Again, we've got some different coloring, still on brand, on theme, blue and red make purple, right? So we're still on brand. Hey, first name, I appreciate. Thank you for your patronage. You can see the language has changed a little bit as well, right? It's more casual. We've had some strategic meetings and now I understand her tone. Before I didn't know if, she's an accountant, if it was all professional, but she told me what her tone is. So you can see the tone changes in the emails. Hope you're well. Wanted to know I'm back from vacation. Book your thing. If you haven't got your papers, it's okay. Still book it. And she said, yeah, people called. Oh, I didn't know I could do that. I was waiting. She's like, it was really good. She's like, yeah, no, just go ahead. We can get all the preliminary information. And then when the time comes, all you have to do is upload your paperwork, right? No need to wait. So that was wonderful. A few people waited and they had to pay. Here are some announcements. We have a client referral program. So again, the different colors. We have a client referral program. Receive 50% off your taxes when you refer someone who becomes a client in this year. Again, part of the strategy. Not just when they become a client, whenever they have to file their taxes. How do I do that? Again, more psychology. It's like this email could have easily said receive 50% off your tax bill for every customer you refer and move on. No, what are the instructions? How do I make that happen? This is the information that I need. Okay. Sponsorship ad space now available. Are you a business owner who would like to showcase your business to more people? Sure. If so, consider becoming a vice versa newsletter sponsor. Starting 2024, you'll now have the opportunity to secure ad space. And I also have to run this through ChatGPT. Even when I was editing this, I remember it didn't start off like, are you a business owner who would like to showcase? It started left like, it was just different, right? Notice today's sponsor Mappdom below, visit them. Oh, okay. Great. Newsletter sponsorship starts at 97 bucks. I think I was originally thinking 247, but I thought me as a business owner, I wouldn't pay that. But 100 bucks to sponsor a newsletter one time. Yeah, sure. Why not? By showcasing different businesses and also welcoming new businesses, you'll have a sense of who her audience is to decide, if you want to promote your business to them. I'm a marketing company, so obviously it makes sense for me because she works with business owners. Stay tuned for details. There should be a space here. That's it for now. I'm happy to be back home safe and sound. I look forward to serving your tax needs. Please reserve your tax appointment today. And then there's a little note from a sponsor. So here's the sponsor. Quick little blurb, nothing too long. Click here with a close. So anyway, that is the evolution of her emails. And I'm excited to see where this all goes and how much more money we are able to make her. Congratulations, Tanya Rose. And thank you for becoming the latest client of Mappdom. We truly appreciate you and anyone watching this video, especially if you are an accountant. If you would like to do business with us, we would love to do business with you. Thanks so much. Take care. Have a great day.